We all dream of the perfect creation, of building something unique, of taking an idea and making it a reality. We're makers. It's what we do. Makers are dreamers with follow-through. We accept failure as part of the journey toward success. Makers travel the bumpy road between inspiration and execution. We work to bring imagination to life. We struggle over barriers and battle against limitations. Now, imagine what you could create if there were no limitations. Introducing Discovery, a universal paste extruder for desktop 3D printers. The Discovery expansion system is compatible with virtually all filament 3D printers. Go beyond plastic and experiment with thousands of materials without replacing your device. With Discovery, limitless flexibility is within your grasp. The question is, what do you want to make? Discovery. Extrude, experiment, explore.
OpenTrons is a rapid prototyping platform for biology. So we're bringing the digital fabrication workflow to the life science lab, meaning that instead of writing down your protocol in your lab notebook and then doing your experiment by hand, you'll design your protocol in your browser and then run your experiment on your OpenTron.
I've been involved in the lab automation for the last 15 years. I've always used robots, but they're way too expensive. So we came to Shenzhen, joining Accelerator, to build quality, reliable robot systems.
The OT1 uses your own standard pipetter, single or multi-channel. It has a 15 well plate deck capacity. The OT1 also uses the open source Smoothie board, which has 3-axis movement and 100 micron accuracy. The brain of the OT1 is a Raspberry Pi, and it runs your protocols based on our open source protocol data structure.
You design your protocols on MixBio. It's a modular interface where you drag and drop tools, commands, and locations right in the browser. We wanted to make it simple and easy to design complex protocols and share them online.
But it goes even further than that because OpenTrons is full open source, hardware, software, and protocols. And that's a big deal because no one has ever opened up automated biology protocols to peer-to-peer development before. That means we're going to see the rise of open workhorse protocols that are both more robust than any one institution could develop themselves and free for anyone to use.
We built 3 generations of prototype, and we are setting up manufacturing for delivery in April.
So back us. Be among the first people to get an OpenTron, and let's kickstart the open biotech movement.
My name is Laura Thetham-Kuna. I am a fashion designer. In my work, I try to explore the parallels between art and fashion. In the past, I always felt limited by fabric, so when I discovered 3D printing, it became kind of an open door to limitless possibilities of what I could do and how I could create these designs in ways that I never was able to in the past. This design will be my first design to be fully 3D printed, and it is entitled the Vortex Dress. The idea behind the Vortex Dress really began with watching a documentary one day on the universe and theories of black holes. I became really inspired by the artistic interpretation, the way that things twisted in and out of different dimensions, and that is how the dress was born. I hope to submit this design to curators for exhibits in museums and art galleries. I also hope to create a film with this design, to do photo shoots and submit it to fashion shows. My dress is fully 3D modeled on the computer. The next step will be to 3D print the entire dress, and in order to do that, I need your help in funding the production of the dress. The costs involved with printing a design of this magnitude are much higher than I could afford myself. This is why I chose Kickstarter to fund this design. When I see it for the first time on a live model, I will feel so proud of the fact that I was able to take a design in my head and fully realize it to its potential by using 3D printing technology. That'll be an amazing feeling to know that it was possible.
The Beast is a 3D printer with a massive build volume and is capable of printing 4 identical objects at the same time, making it the perfect machine for anyone looking to pump out truly gigantic prints or speed up production of repetitively printed parts.
Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Dan.
We're from Cultivate 3D, and this is The Beast.